Lean back. You got it? You got it? Hold on. Wait. Oh my god, it's in! It's in! Can you see?
Yeah, I can see! We got the contract!
Sing for me. Paint for me.
Amazing.
All right, guys, we are going to start with her naked face. She is not naked. She is wearing a little tuba top today for the kids, in case you're wondering. So first, I'm going to take this touch of eye cream and apply it underneath her eyes. She's already wearing moisturizer. How excited are you to be a living, walking Disney princess today?
Well, as you know, I only went to Disneyland for the first time like 4 months ago.
Right.
Which is insane. So I'm very excited. And weirdly enough, I've never been Ariel before, which is crazy as a natural redhead.
I
know. This is giving me a lot of inspo for Halloween.
We're giving you your Disney fantasy.
You really are. Living my best
We're
life
expecting,
right
the gays are going to be expecting a lip sync for your life at the end of this.
now. I'm so honored to be glammed by PatrickStarrr.
Oh my god, I'm so honored to
I can't believe I get to do this.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. You're going to be painted and beat and...
I've never been painted and beat before, so
I
beat
think
me
Ariel
and paint
should make
me.
an appearance on season 3.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe
can
for
we
Cheryl's
make-
Halloween costume?
Yes.
I'm down. You can come in and glam her.
So next, I'm going to take this Anastasia pencil in the color caramel. You say caramel or caramel?
I say caramel. Do you say caramel?
Whatever.
I think caramel sounds more fancy.
Yeah, it does.
Caramel. It's like Target versus Target, right?
Yes.
Or NYX versus NYX.
NYX, sure. Just gonna go ahead and feather in her brows. Whenever you meet a redhead, just ask them what they use. So most of the products that I'm using on her today are hers because her skin is sensitive. And these are what work for her because she's seen on magazine covers, TV, red carpet. And this is your go-to brow, correct?
One of a couple.
One of a couple.
I rotate, whatever mood I'm in. Excited to see what you do with my eyebrows, to be honest.
Do you do your brows or you're just not picky?
Oh no, I do my brows for sure. Like on the show, I did my own brows.
Oh, really?
Yeah, even though people come for me for them. I like them. You should have made me, what's the crab's name again?
Into Sebastian?
You should have made me Sebastian.
We'll just make Travis Sebastian.
We'll make
and
Travis
I'll be
Sebastian.
Ursula.
Stop.
I was Ursula once upon a time on my channel.
Wait, that's amazing.
Yeah.
We should have done that together. Now all I can think of is that ride at Disneyland, the Under the Sea ride.
Oh my God.
Under the Sea.
Okay, so guys, she went to Disney for the first time. Your boyfriend Travis took you.
He did.
And there's a vlog on it. So I thought, I said this in the beginning, but I was saying, you play this sassy character on Riverdale, and she's troubled. So I thought, why not break her out, Madelaine, out of her shell, and literally
Literally out of the shell.
out of the shell into a whole new world.
Oh my God,
with,
I love all these. This is
yeah.
great. It's like you played it or something.
I know, but I thought it'd be really fun.
No, I'm really excited.
And the bra is so cute.
I know, I can't wait. Surprise reveal. And of course, you have to wear the iridescent jacket right now.
So you want to tell the kids about this red that you wear on Riverdale that you have to wear all the time, this red lipstick.
My poor red lips. My lips are just, they're done. I use a liquid lip that's matte and it just dries my little lippies out. I wear it all day, every day on the show, as some of you may know. The iconic red. It never comes off though, so I guess that's a good thing for making out purposes. I actually used to never wear red before the show. I actually thought I couldn't wear red as a redhead.
Did you
Myths
ever
about
wear
redheads.
red on your screen test for auditions or not until you actually started filming?
No, I actually auditioned in a blue shirt.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that weird to think about now? And that's like all I wear on the show. Like every outfit has to have a splash of red.
And many people may not know, but you do sing.
I do sing. Watch the musical episode. Carrie White. Many of you may not know, but there is a Carrie the musical and we do it on Riverdale.
Have you been in any musicals before when you were younger?
Yeah, you know, this is so weird. I remember seeing Wicked in London. And then I remember seeing the one about Prince in London as well. And I did musical theater as a kid. But like professional Broadway, I just saw a couple. I always wanted to see, I'm a huge Harry Potter nerd. So I always wanted to see the Cursed Child.
Yeah, the one in...
Yeah. I still need to see that.
I passed by it, but I didn't get to see when I was in London last year.
Aren't they bringing it to LA, I heard?
I hope so.
Oh my god. I read the book and everything. Like, I'm that much of a nerd. Okay. Can you teach me how to do this? Like, what?
I love feathering the brows, and we're going for more, like, cartoon today. And this, I want to contour your nose, so this will kind of start the brows.
Okay. I'm just gonna watch you do it.
To be like.
We'd like.
Alright, guys, so if you guys couldn't tell, we just spent time putting in some contacts.
First timer here. Went great.
Oh my god, it's Did you see?
Now, for foundation, we're going to take the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the color Mont Blanc Light 2.
I'm like not used to this yet.
What?
Blue contacts.
No?
No. It's been 5 minutes. Please tell me there's some in there.
There is?
There better be. Can you imagine? There is for sure.
Okay.
There she comes.
There she comes. She's a little difficult today.
She is just being difficult.
And we're going to apply this all over the face. Alright, now that she's painted, we're going to take the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and we're going to give her this cartoon effect and brighten the under eyes. I'm so happy we got these contacts and we were laughing so hard.
I honestly, there was a point where I was like, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. We have to turn back. I was determined, though.
She's earning her fins today.
I'm earning my fins, guys. I'm earning my legs, actually.
Legs, yes.
If only I could just wake up and have concealer on in the morning, you know?
Mm-hmm. We're going to take the booty blender and bounce the booty on the face.
Why is it that I open my mouth when people are around my eye?
It's a habit.
It's so weird.
It's just a reflex that we all have from our moms.
Is it from our moms?
I don't know. Did you ever watch your mom doing her makeup?
Yeah, she really wore a lot of makeup.
Sisters?
No sisters.
No
Thank
sisters? Oh, just an older brother, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
God. I didn't know.
You said in your video, you only got, I'm subscribed. She's like, how do you know?
I was like, what?
I don't know. Do you post your life online?
I think so. You go way back with my family.
Yeah, we go way back.
Way back.
We're related. Can you tell?
Can you tell?
All right, guys. Next, I'm going to take Patrick's powder from my collaboration and apply this right under her eyes.
Oh, wow. Do you put this much powder on yourself?
Yes.
Okay, I'm doing it all wrong, guys.
No, there's nothing. Well, I think this will just bake it and stamp it and give us that plastic look. This is definitely a full coverage look, but
I mean,
it'll
wow.
definitely.
Eye bags who? Never heard of them.
They're gone.
They're gone. My jokes are so bad. Why do people say around me, oh my god?
So for bronzer, I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Tantastic 104 and use this to sculpt her face. And I'm taking the Morphe Y11 brush and want to start from her hairline and just go down.
You asked me what kind of bronzer I use.
She goes none.
I don't use bronzer.
She gonna learn today.
I have so much to learn.
You have such a good canvas.
A what?
You have such a good canvas.
I thought you said chemist. I was like, what is this word?
No, you have such a good canvas already.
Oh,
You're so
thank you.
pretty. You can literally do anything with
is
your
talking.
face. No, girl.
Shut up. I've seen your videos.
So good. Did you wear like makeup in high school? Like, did you do your own prom makeup? Did you go to prom?
Yeah, I went to prom.
Talk to the kids. How was prom?
Prom was a nightmare. Prom
Did you
was
talk about this on your channel?
No.
No,
I
tell
should
the
do a
kids.
story time. Prom was a nightmare, I'll be honest. My boyfriend at the time wouldn't go with me.
What?
Yeah. It was so sad. So some guy that I went to school with went with me instead, and I was just sad the whole time, and I was
So someone else went with you?
Yeah, and my boyfriend didn't care. My boyfriend now would be like, excuse me? Of
Wait,
course I'm going.
what?
Isn't that so savage?
Why?
And then I look back on prom photos and I'm like, this is really depressing and embarrassing. Maybe one day I'll share them, but for now, no. They're like, not good. I didn't do my brows back then, so full face of makeup, but no brows.
No brows?
But no brows.
No.
I should do a video like how I did my makeup in high school.
You should.
It was not pretty. You know what's not
so
fair
should.
though? Is like the generation that's now growing up, I feel like their makeup is better than mine is when I do my own makeup now. Like their prom makeup, because they've got all of this, they can like watch YouTube and they've got all this stuff at their fingertips, whereas wow, it's really beautiful. What's that?
Just
makes her?
bronzer. So
Wow.
what I'm gonna do with the eyes to give the air, I'm gonna start with a little bit of bronzer just on the lid because she has now blue eyes and they're gonna pop. But furthermore, I'm gonna take my new PatrickStarrr collaboration with MAC, my spring palette. This one is called Stay With Me eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take this top color right here and run this through the crease. I think you need to go to Disneyland like this, now.
We need to go to Disneyland
Like-
like this. You go full Ursula, I go full
Yes,
Little Mermaid.
and we'll bring Travis as Prince Eric.
Oh my god,
And your
so cute. And our little dog. I'm dying.
I think the whole cast should just go as Disney.
Characters. Oh my god, can you imagine Lily as Cinderella?
Yes.
Wait, we really are like Disney
Can you
princesses.
name the whole cast of Riverdale and assign their characters? Okay, you're casting Disney Riverdale.
Lily Reinhardt is obviously Cinderella.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like KJ would be Hercules. Tammy would be Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Cole. What would Cole be?
Yeah,
What
what
are
would
some
he be?
male Disneys? Definitely not Prince Eric. That's taken. Thank you. Who's the guy in Cinderella? I'm the
Prince
worst.
Charming.
Oh no.
That's who he is.
I mean, he looks like it, but savage.
I'm gonna take this purple down here. This one's called Queen Patrick down here. It's a beautiful purple. I'm gonna take this and feather this into the crease.
Who is she?
Who
don't
is
even
she?
recognize her.
And next, I'm gonna go ahead and deepen this crease on the outer corner. So now from the Play With Me palette, I'm going to take In Living Pink, which is this beautiful highlighting color right here. And I'm going to press this onto the lid.
Ooh, very pretty color.
All right, so next I'm going to take the Man Eater because I'm clearly, she's a Man Eater. Go to her channel, you'll see.
Just the one.
Just the one. He even cut his hair, guys. Like, she has such the Prince Charming because he lets her do whatever
He really does.
wants.
He's such an angel. Look at how easily you do eyebrow or eyeliner. This is insane.
I mean, I'm just praying, so.
Look at that line, guys. One try. Here.
Close. Okay, she did tongue pop. Ooh, should we pick like Disney lashes for you?
Mm-hmm.
So next we're gonna take Lily lashes in the style Paris. And we're gonna pop these on the eye. I custom these to her eyes. I'm just gonna pop them on. Oh my god, did you grow up watching Disney shows when you were, or Disney movies when you were little?
Oh, yeah. Little Mermaid. All of those were definitely little staples. I was only allowed an hour of TV a day, so.
Oh really?
Oh, yeah.
You and your brother?
Yeah, my brother and I were only allowed an hour of TV a day, and then we had to go outside and play.
Oh my god, so good.
My parents are South African, so they're all about going outside.
Did you get the Katie Heron reference growing up?
Oh my god.
Did you?
That came out in 2000s, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got it all
And
the
with
time.
your red hair and everything?
Yep.
Were you like new in school?
No, I grew up in Washington, so.
Mm.
But yeah, when that movie came out, it was torture for me.
Katie.
That's the next transformation.
Oh my gosh, imagine.
It's like basically just me.
I'm gonna take All's Rosy from the Miso Fleek palette and then smoke out right under her eye to give it that big eye effect. And this is the M210 brush. It's one of my favorite brushes for this area right here. Can't be a Disney princess without blush, so we're gonna go a little bit heavy, but take some blush from my collection. This is the Split Pan Blush Duo from, that's called Take Me Home. I'm gonna take this peachy color. I'm gonna apply this right on the apples of her cheeks. And when you're a Disney princess, you wanna go a little bit harder on the blush. Oh my god. You are like giving me Disneyland vibes right
Just
now.
send me to Anaheim.
I'm ready.
Put me in an Uber.
So I'm gonna take this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the color Felicity. And we're gonna go ahead and stamp this right here on the cheeks. All right, so for the lips, I'm gonna take this color by MAC called Nice and Spicy. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna take Sweet MamaStarrr lipstick, which is a beautiful nude. And I know for Ariel, she's more red, but I think for this one, I want to make it more innocent because, you know, she wears red on the show. So why not twist it up and give her a more innocent princess lip? Oh my goodness. And to finish the look, I'm going to add this gloss. It's like super reflexy pink and purple. And then, to finish the look, I'm going to take mascara and put it on the bottom. You are giving me Disney vibes. We're going to take the hair down, we're going to put the bra on, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, this is the finished look. We are serving mermaid realness. Do you love your look?
I love it. Thank you so much. I feel like a mermaid goddess.
Oh, thanks. Mermaid realness for sure. She is serving us Waves by Angel. She is serving us the Shell Bra by Little Penny Lane from Etsy. I just love the whole look. She is serving us mermaid goddess, mermaid realness, and also floral realness with my MAC PatrickStarrr collection. Be sure to check it out April 19th. There are 2 kits, Miso Chic, Miso Fleek, and each of the kits come with 4 items for $49.50. That drops on April 19th. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for letting me use my collection on you today.
Thank you so much for having me. Also, check out my sunglass line. It's listed in the description box below.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, she has an amazing sunglass line. The link is down below. Subscribe to her channel. Check out our Coachella collab that we did on her channel. And we love you guys so much. And if you guys want to see more of us, subscribe, and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye.
Bye.